When you walk in, there's basically one big space where it seems that they had some sort of bar, a tiny, tragic bathroom, and then there's a room to the right, which might have been a game room. And then there are a couple of super sketchy shed additions in the back of the house.
We got it for $35,000, and it's only 530 square feet, and there aren't any bedrooms. It's just a large space divided into 2 sections with a bathroom.
Here we go. I love this house.
Super cute.
Yeah. I like the gable end, and I like the porch gable. It's balanced without being symmetrical.
It's up on a hill a little bit. It's kind of cute.
And the porch doesn't look bad. The brick columns, they just need to be painted.
It's so-so.
Just open it.
There we go.
Oh my.
Yeah, it's been inhabited by people that shouldn't be inhabiting it.
Yeah.
But like this is the space. You've got the biker bar back there, and then these spaces that who knows how they had them set up. But there's not much to it.
This is itty bitty.
And then there's this sectioned off part of the room.
Maybe this was like the stage where they had bands.
Strippers. No, they had strippers.
It stinks in here.
Yeah, of course it does.
So I think obviously these first 3 rooms are public space, kitchen, dining, living. We can figure out the layout, but we gotta figure out where we're putting all the bedrooms in. So let's go around back and check out the 5 bajillion shed additions and see what we need to do.
Okay. So this is the bar part.
Yeah.
And then,
And then this is who knows what.
Yeah. And none of this is on any kind
So
of
this all comes down.
foundation
Easy.
whatsoever.
Should be easy to take down.
I love that they like didn't do any kind of foundation but used metal ceiling joists.
They used what they had. I didn't even notice, but this is a little dry kitchen right here.
Doesn't that just make it cabinets?
Dry kitchen sounds fancier.
If you come over here, you can see the original roof, and then we've got these 2 shed additions. So the 2 shed additions need to come off.
Right.
We'll just keep that original like 500 square feet, 3 rooms, and then we'll do a big 2-story addition that runs this way. So we'll have a side yard here, and you get your attached garage without losing your yard.
Okay, all right.
So let's talk turkey.
After we demolish the old shed additions, we need to convert the old biker bar into an actual home with a living room, dining room, and kitchen. We also need to add a big 2-story addition that will house all of our 4 new bedrooms, 3 new bathrooms, and a garage. We also need to paint the exterior and add some landscaping.
This addition is going to be massive. It's 3 times the size of the original house, which was like no bedrooms, 1 bath, if you can even call it that, to 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, and a garage. We got this gem for 35 G's.
It's going to be a big addition, so if we can keep our construction costs at $230,000, we'll be all in at $265,000. And I think with the size, the side yard, and the garage, we could sell for around $312,000.
Go, 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 go.
Pull this out. Now cut it and pull the other side down.
You know what? There's stuff in there I want. Have we got the opener tool, Corey? Oh, we have you.
Oh, God.
Put these on.
There she goes.
The biggest thing we have today is removing the handful of additions on the back that are framed with metal.
Yeah, it's galvanized steel.
Extremely sturdy, but we've probably got 800 square feet of house we need to take off before we can put our giant, massive, amazing, incredible addition on.
There we go.
So this is Baker House Talbot. We've got this original 500 square feet that is our public space.
Okay.
So dining, living room, kitchen, all nice and opened up. And then the massively long 2-story addition, we're gonna have the staircase up and then 2 bedrooms and a shared bath on the way to the garage. And then we've got nice French doors that flank the staircase that go out to this really nice side yard we're gonna have. And because the downstairs living room isn't massive, I kept it as an option upstairs to have this additional loft area. And we've got your stacked washer and dryer in there, some built-in bookshelves, and then a master ensuite and a 4th bedroom with a full bath.
Nice.
We have
a good amount of yard once it bumps in from the garage.
Oh,
like
yeah.
it's a nice little courtyard.
The new addition is taking up most of what used to be the backyard on this property, but we do still have this cute little like side courtyard area. The team's gotten right to work installing the new siding, and the exterior paint color we picked out looks great. In the courtyard, we're installing a brand new deck that will give buyers a perfect little outdoor space to entertain. At our Talbott biker house, the drywall's gone up and our dark gray kitchen cabinets have been installed, giving the space that cool industrial vibe we want.
There we go.
And the dark wood flooring we picked out is gonna give the house a little warmth to balance out some of the cooler gray colors we chose. Outside, we got a new fence, and inside, I love the new paint, and especially the dark gray trim that really plays to that industrial masculine theme. The herringbone tile in the master bath is gonna look really cool when it's done. But the oxblood red paint is unlike anything we've ever done before, and I can't wait to see it finished. We finally reached staging day, and we have so many super cool pieces coming into this former biker bar. I cannot wait to start showing it to buyers. We decided to pay tribute to the biker bar theme by decorating the upstairs loft with unique biker-inspired pieces.
So this is it.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Do you guys want to go inside?
Let's go inside.
Yeah.
It's cold.
Let's go inside, please.
It's a beautiful front porch. I love this.
Just follow me now.
Oh, wow.
Love it.
So the area that we're standing in now was, I believe, some kind of game room. There were like speakers in the corner and broken pool sticks. So we did open this up a little bit. So over here, we kind of kept going with the modern urban theme. We've got the dark gray cabinets, but
Love
it
it.
matches all the trim in the house. So originally the front door was around on the other side, so you'd walk in, and then there was just a big kind of man-made, cobbled together bar. There was some closets over here and the remnants of a bathroom over there, but it wasn't much of anything.
Yeah, no, I love the sight lines from everywhere. It looks like you got lots of people here and have a good time.
So you want to go back and see the first of 4 bedrooms?
Yes.
Yes,
All right, come this
absolutely.
way. We have French doors, out onto a lovely deck.
This is beautiful.
Love
Your
it.
huge side yard for your dogs,
Plenty of room for them to run around in.
privacy fence, and first bedroom.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
1,600 square feet is the addition. So you've got 2 bedrooms and a shared bath downstairs, and then the other 2 and 2 are both upstairs.
Wow.
So up here, you've got kind of your second living area.
This is where it's at.
I
This
like
is
this.
wonderful.
All right, do you want to see the master now?
Oh, yes. I'm super excited for this.
This is your massive master
wow.
bedroom.
Wow. This
Right,
is huge.
I love it.
This is absolutely gorgeous, and the windows, I'm sure, bring in tons of light in the morning. Just nice to wake up to. Oh my gosh.
Do you want to go see the master bath?
Would love
All
to.
right, let's go.
Oh.
Go on in.
Wow.
I think my favorite part of the house is walking in and seeing the high ceiling, seeing the contrasted colors, the mixture of textures that they've used throughout the home, and the history of the home as well. And the biker bar and all that kind of stuff is really cool, and just a cool element to say, hey, this is what it used to be, and look what it is now.